Welcome to the Oracle of the Feather Crown Tree. This is your Sacral Chakra reading, which I do every Tuesday. We are going to try to bring this chakra into its highest vibration. We're going to take a couple cards. The first one is Tracy Eamon from the Guide to the Art Oracles. And this card's themes are: don't hide your dirty sheets in the washer. Concentrate on finding, not losing, yourself in your art. Decay can be a fertilizer for new ideas. Like a good friend rolled in garbage, the work of Tracy Eamon, British representative of the 2007 Venice Biennale, is both intimate and a potential biohazard. In Everyone I've Ever Slept With, 1963 to 1995, the viewer is welcomed into a small camping tent in which Eamon delivers on the title with those bedmates' names appliqued to the interior walls. Her acclaimed and contested My Bed consists of Eamon's mattress after a depressive episode topped with stained sheets, stained panties, contraceptives, empty bottles, cigarette butts, and the emotional compost that fertilized this mess. Eamon's personal and confessional works are not only self-portraits, but reflections of societal taboos. The card that will be accompanying this one is from the Well Matrix Chakra, and it's from the Myths and Mermaids Oracle. We have Mermaid with Pink Lotus. A fair mermaid drifts languidly among a tangle of lily pads in a tranquil lagoon. A single pink lotus blossom adorns her hair. A second floats nearby in the pool. So relaxed is she that her slight movements do little to disrupt the surface of the water. Stop what you are doing and take a deep breath. It's time to relax. You're not selfish, and that can be a blessing. Helping your loved ones is an important part of who you are, but sometimes it is okay to set aside your worries about others and take some time for yourself. Maybe you are feeling stressed or overwhelmed. Try not to let it wear you down. Instead, try these relaxation techniques to improve your health and well-being. Close your eyes and imagine a personal paradise. What do you see, hear, and feel? Let yourself become engulfed in these sensations. Allow your breathing to become slow and even, and notice your energy flow throughout your body. This will help you feel refreshed and rejuvenated. Take a hint from our mermaid friend and let yourself be soothed by calming water. A walk near a beach or a lake, or a rest near a bubbling fountain can bring inner tranquility. Are you finding it difficult to relax? A change in environment can be most helpful in reducing stress. A short getaway for some pampering at a spa could be just what your body and mind need to chase away the stress. Thanks for joining me today.